Hey guys, do you regularly do welding jobs at different locations? If you don't have a high-quality welding bag, carrying your cables, personal protection equipment, pliers, and other tools with you can be a hassle. Many professional welders use a regular duffel bag for all their gear, but these bags don't have all the features you need to carry things like a welding helmets, and they are typically not durable enough for heavy tools. Our first best pick, S7 Technician Ultimate Tool Welding Helmet Bag. Introducing the S7 bag that provides the solution for installers and repair technicians needing to transport tools while still having their hands free, whether for climbing ladders or carrying bulky tools or construction equipment. It is widely used by welding, HVAC, satellite, cable television, stadium lighting, telecom, networking, and wind turbine technicians. If there is a trade where convenient hands-free tool transport is desired, the S7 Tool Pack is the answer. Our second best pick, Melatough Welding Tool Welding Helmet Bag. First and foremost, not every welding backpack with helmet catch is the same. As previously mentioned, it's vital to choose your welder's bag carefully, especially if you're looking for a durable product. Luckily, we've found one of the most rugged welder's backpacks for you. The Melatough Welding Backpack with Helmet Catch. Indeed, the water-resistant 600 DPVC coating fabric will keep your tools safe and sound. What's more, the plastic mat at the bottom will provide extra protection when placing your bag on the ground. Another great thing is the helmet compartment. Of course, there's nothing special about a best welder's backpack with helmet catch. Still, this one will ensure you can fit any helmet size. Surprisingly, Melatough guarantees 100% satisfaction. What's more, they promise to contact any customer within 24 hours of complaint to make things right. Our third best pick, Melatough Extreme Gear Pack Welding Helmet Bag. Welding Gear Tool Backpack Bag. Your 3M Speedglass Gear, Optral Helmet, Auto Darkening Welding Helmet and Work Gear Tool need these quality bag. Keep safety. Extra Large Capacity Welding Tool Backpack. Bag size 18.5*15 7.5 inch. Welding helmet catch size 11.5 9.5 8.7 inch. Hold all of your welding leather glove, welding helmet, welding jacket, grinder, tools and more you needs. Perfect detail design with business name card at front, side zipped pocket, Velcro loop for tall tools, iPad zipped pocket inside, folded welding helmet. Bag base with plastic mat to protect your bag get dirt in workplace. Welder love it totally risk-free. Our fourth best pick, Tillman 520 Welder's Welding Helmet Bag. Tillman Welding Gear and Welding Helmet Bag has a large capacity main compartment with drawstring closure. It is capable of holding virtually any welding helmet or welding face shields. The bag has two mesh side pockets that can hold welding gloves, water bottles and welding tools. A hook, loop closure front pocket is ideal for keys, cell phones or sunglasses. Our fifth best pick, Drawstring Storage Welding Helmet Bag. Black drawstring storage bag with skull logo. Easily store your welding helmet and accessories in style. You can choose to carry it like a backpack for easy transport and free up your hands.